The Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the next big thing from Samsung, and these phones are actually the real competitors to latest iPhones from Apple. The S23 Ultra is taller by 0.1 mm, wider by 0.2, probably because of that change in the roundness, and also thinner, interesting enough, by 0.1. The Galaxy S23 is wider by 0.2 mm, and S23 Plus is wider by 0.3, and both taller by 0.3. Now if you take a look at the back, you can see that both got the S22 Ultra style camera arrangement. So the camera modules are now setting directly on the back and there's no more camera housing. Then S23 Ultra, look at the front, the bezels are also thinner, especially the chin. However, the bezels are still not even all around the phone. In fact, the side bezel are 2.4 mm thin, compared to 2.8 for the chin. We have even slimmer bezel than the S22 Ultra, which is incredible because Samsung is pushing the boundaries as further as possible, considering Apple just gave the brightest older display on any phone to the iPhone 14 Pro. It's very likely they're going to bring an even brighter or perhaps the same brightness as the iPhone 14 Pro to the S23 Ultra, according to a report from Galaxy Club, who claims that both models could see a bump in battery. The Galaxy S22's battery right now is 3,700 mAh, but the report claims that it might see a 200 mAh increase to 3,900 mAh. The same matter will be given to the S23 Plus, where it will be bumped to 4,700 mAh of 200 mAh from its predecessor. The S23 Ultra, the report claims that it might not see a battery upgrade and will instead maintain the same 5,000 mAh battery from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. In a few months, Samsung will present its new high-end smartphone with the new S Pen stylus. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone, as has now become known, the South Korean company wants to use a brand new camera sensor there for the first time, which the competition is already using. Samsung could still have an advantage. Samsung has already presented 2 generations of 200 megapixel sensors for smartphones, especially since it would be the first change of the main camera in years. According to current rumors, Samsung will install a new processor in the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. Galaxy S23 Ultra will only power Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and no Exynos processor this year. Qualcomm will also going to come out with the big numbers on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, whopping 3.5 GHz clock speed, and as per rumors, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 can be a 16 Bionic chipset in GPU performance. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.